Welcome. This is part 3 of tables. In the previous lessons, we learned how to set the table up, add rows and columns, and do some formatting about the cells themselves. Now I'm going to give you a little bit more advanced stuff we can do. Again, always be in your text tool. And I select all the cells. And I'll go up here to Table, Cell Options. Now we have some of the things are similar to what's in the control bar. We can do our insets, but here we could do something like align to the center of the cell. It's controlling the content in the cells. We can do things with the graphic. We can have insets. You can have, again, strokes and fills like we talked about before. Controlling your rows and columns. We could change the column width. And if you wanted, for example, to put X out lines in it. That's the cell options. Now if we go here, select all, if we go to table options, here's again the basics of the table, how many rows and columns. You can control borders, row strokes. You might want to do something like every other row. Pick a weight, and so now it's doing every other row with a stroke. Do the same with columns. Or here's really cool with fills. If I go every other row, and I say the first row, I want to be in blue, second row in red, and you can see that's applying the alternate shading. Now another thing that's really cool is say you have a cell and you can take a little graphic. You can put graphics in cells. I will copy this little logo, put my cursor in a cell, and there you go, paste it into it. And again, you know, obviously the content has to fill in that cell and be within your insets. So that's the real basics. Tables are extremely robust and there's a lot you can do with it, and it makes editing so much easier than if it was all separate type boxes or tabs. That's it for tables.